Hey guys, back with another video. This one is going to be showing you guys a little review and showcasing of the new 2.2 update that was released for the iPod Touch. If you already have the 2.1, then you will be able to get the 2.2 update for free, no charge at all. But if you do not have 2.1, then the new 2.2 update will cost $9.99 for you. Nothing too major in this new one. It's just a couple more tweaks and additions to the 2.1 update that was previously released. So let's check out some of the new things that we got in here. First, I'm actually reading the new additions off my computer right now, so I'm making sure I hit everything. First, what we have is podcasts. Now you can download podcasts from the App Store. Millions of them are for free. Second, I don't understand this one. It says that we have a home screen shortcut button, and this little button down here has always been the home screen shortcut. And it says when you push this shortcut button, it will bring you to your first home page, even if you have many. I don't understand what that means. I've tried to figure it out, and I truthfully don't have a clue. It doesn't seem to be too big of an addition, so I'm not really going to go too far into it. But that's something new, I guess, sort of. There's now email improvements. Quicker email, and you'll be able to get a wider variety of HTML documents through your email. And then we have Safari, which is the internet browser. We have improvements for that. The only really one that I've seen so far is that it added a Google search bar up here, if you guys can see this. So now you have your web address, and you also have a Google search bar. The internet also seems to be a tad bit quicker, not too much. I just tweaked it a little bit, made it a little bit faster, runs smoother. So that's kind of a nice addition. And aside from that, we now have new languages for your iPod Touch. I have not checked these out. Let's go into settings and see if we can find some of them. Where would it be? Probably general, I'm gonna guess. General. Uh-oh. Clicked something I didn't want to click. Cancel. Why am I not seeing this? International, maybe? Possibly. Language. So we have language. I've never actually been in here. God, we have a crazy amount of languages. I don't even know what half these are. But yeah, I guess there's some more languages that are now going to be accepted on the iPod Touch. And then last but not least, go back into settings, and now we have an autocorrect for your typing, and you can turn it on and off. So there's always been an autocorrect and stuff like that, but now you can turn it on and off, which is kind of nice because sometimes whenever I'm typing something, it does get changed and messed up when I don't really want it to. So go into keyboard in your settings, and autocorrection up here, you can turn that off. There's actually a couple things here I've never even seen before. Yeah, so that's kind of cool. So that is now a feature also. And my favorite feature so far is a little bit of a tweaking that they've done to the App Store. So if you go into your App Store, yeah, it's not really too big of a difference. You can't really tell from right from the get-go. But if you go into categories, you have these little nice pictures. So it's better organized, I believe so. So you can actually see what you're looking for. And so that didn't make too much sense. For books, you have a game. I know that's a game. I don't know what the heck, I don't know why it's in books. But anyway, yeah, so if I go into the games category, then they've organized this a little bit better. So you can have the top paid for games, top free, and the release dates. The ones that have just been released, you can check those out. Yeah, so that's for every single category. There's a top paid, a top free, and a release date, which I think will be a big help because sometimes when I'm trying to find you guys new apps for app reviews, I'll go in there and they're not always organized the way that they should be, and I can't find the ones that have just been released, so I can get them first to you guys before anyone else can. So now this should be able to help me quite a bit. So you have top paid, top free, and the release date. So I think that'll be a pretty big hit. Do we have anything else in here? I haven't actually seen anything else from that. That seems to be about it for the 2.2. I mean, I haven't seen that many significant updates or changes for it. It's just tried to improve it, kind of tweaked it, made it a couple less crashes for your iPod Touch, and it seems like it's going to be making it a little bit better, and hopefully you guys will be able to enjoy your iPods a little bit more now. So yeah, that is the 2.2 update for the software. It was released a couple days ago for just the iPod Touch. If you have the 2.1 already installed, then the 2.2 will be free to you at no cost. But if you do not have 2.1, if you have anything previous to that, then the 2.2 update will cost $9.99, and you can buy that from Apple.com, or you can just plug your iPod in, go into iTunes, and you guys can find it there in the iTunes store, and then it'll be able to update your iPod. So yeah, that is a 2.2 update, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Hey guys, one really quick addition to this video. You guys have been sending me a crap load of personal messages on my YouTube account daily, and it's getting to the point where there's going to be too many messages for me to get back to you guys as quick as I want to be. So I have now created an email address specifically just for questions that you guys are going to be giving me, and that email address is shown right here. It is called thatipodguy@yahoo.com. So that's ThatIPod guy@yahoo.com. So yeah, I'm gonna specifically make this email address just for your guys' questions, so I can answer them as quick as possible. I will check it daily, probably a few times a day actually, so I can get back with as little or in as little time as I can. And yeah, I hope this will help, guys, because lately I haven't been able to be getting back to the personal messages as quickly as I wanted to be. So hopefully this will be a good addition, good idea, and you guys will be able to get your stuff answered as quick as possible. Once again, email is thatipodguy@yahoo.com, and hope to get a couple messages soon, and hope to give you guys a couple answers. So I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.